guys, something like that. We're going to Bira-Bira Adventure. Right, honey? Today, not this time, but when we are in Queensland before, we did that because we did cut the plane. So we're not far away now, I think. Another 20 minutes, honey? Something like that. So maraming salamat guys sa mga pagtsatsaga ninyo sa akin habang ay halos isang buwan talaga ako na hindi nakapag-respect sa inyo at hindi ako nakapag-thank you sa comment section. Pero ito, babawi na ako sa inyo. Wow, honey, that restaurant there. Where is that?
Nelson Bay. It's just a fish and chip shop.
Oh, really?
It's not that good.
I think we've been there before.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna go back there.
No.
What are you thinking? What are you feeling to eat tonight, honey?
Went to see him at the club.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No lunch, just dinner.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right.
We got lots of water, lost weight.
Exactly. I dare.
I do. I can do it. See, I've just been drinking some. We have breakfast.
Breakfast and dinner. That's all.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No lunch.
Yes.
Yeah.
As long as we got some water and drink and we got breakfast, that's no worries for me. It's the best thing to lose weight if you don't eat all day, all night. You just have coffee in the morning. I like my food. I am in a holiday. So what I say, you do. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and comment.